Hi, myself Dr. Harshal Ekatpure, consultant endocrinologist. Do you often find it difficult to communicate your blood glucose readings with your practitioner or with your doctor? How many times it happens that when you visit a clinic, you forget to carry the notebook where you have written all the blood glucose readings? Now you don't need to worry about it. There are newer devices, the devices which are Bluetooth enabled. The Bluetooth enabled devices are actually the ones which can remember your blood glucose level, and they can transmit the blood glucose levels to your doctors also. Why it is important to check the blood glucose levels? Why on a different times of the day? So checking the blood glucose levels at different times actually gives you the idea about your glycemic pattern. And whenever you are on a treatment, supposedly say you are on an insulin therapy, the glycemic pattern or the blood glucose pattern usually helps your practitioner immensely in adjusting your insulin doses. Sometimes you are on a oral anti-diabetic agents for the blood glucose management, and your blood glucose pattern can help adjust the dose of those oral anti-diabetic medications. Similarly, your meal pattern. So whenever you are measuring the blood glucose level, it is essential to mention your meal pattern also, what amount of food or what type of food you are eating, that also. So that those aspects actually help immensely to your practitioner or a doctor to adjust your therapy, to increase the doses of the medication or to decrease the doses of the medication. So how these smart devices actually help you in management of your diabetes? First, they transfer the blood glucose levels from blood glucose meters to the mobile application very seamlessly. Second, it gives you the graphical representations of your blood glucose levels. So you can understand when your blood glucose levels are actually going up and down, and at what point of time they are actually shooting or coming below the control. And third, they are color coded. So this color coding will actually give you idea whether you are in a green zone, that is meaning in a normal zone, or in a red zone, means sugars are out of the range. So these three features of these mobile applications will actually help you track your blood glucose level more effectively. So how this blood glucose data that you are collecting and sending helps in your diabetes management? So once this blood glucose data is in your mobile application, you can share it with the doctors, or you can share it with the caregivers or your family and friends. And as a doctor, when we get this type of data, the blood glucose data, it helps us immensely in making the therapeutic decisions, particularly adjusting the dosage of your medication, dosage of your insulin therapy. And at the same time, quality of life can be improved significantly if you share more and more data of the glucose monitoring as well as your lifestyle patterns like diet and exercise. And my advice to you to improve the doctor patient connectivity and to improve the quality of life is 3 M's. Monitor your sugar levels, measure your sugar levels, and manage your diabetes well.